Constructions believes in developing real estate into landmarks of viable investments and urban enriched living to the clients. Forayed into construction business in the year 2004, delivering service with dedication and devotion by successfully completing about 15 projects to the client satisfaction. Yet another architectural marvel in 2.5 acres is awaiting your presence. AV Info Pride, a rare blend of fine design and comfort crafted to elegance, is presented to embrace your lives. The doorway consumes you into a world of its own, graced with all the comforts of a modern living. The park welcomes you with a burst of greenery and flowers, endless blooming in all seasons. Besides that, there is a bus bay for the inmates' convenience. Your vehicle takes an amazing drive through wide and expansive passages for effortless maneuverability to the parking area, which looks sprawling and limitless. The moment you step into the main entrance, you find every inch of space more functional to serve the purpose, and an eye-feasting experience that lasts forever. The living room is wide, expressing the spaciousness and the elegance of contemporary living with the fusion of styles. The airy and well-lit kitchen with ultra-modern fittings and appliances is an inviting sign to even the menfolk. The master bedroom is well crafted to give you the lull for a sound sleep. There is a guest bedroom to accommodate your guests with comfort and privacy. Ignite your child's creative intelligence with the design and the comfort that nurtures their well-being. The children's bedroom is designed to suit their taste and choice. The puja room is ready to bless you with all the fortune that you long for every day. Balconies inspire you to be in touch with nature. The bathrooms are well ventilated and fitted with the finest designer sanitary ware. A few laps in the swimming pool to beat the heat of the day-long stress for all age groups. Unwind in the nature's lap. It's your child's turn to have fun in kids' play area in the safest environment. A brisk rally on the shuttle court keeps you hale and healthy always. A well-paved jogging track takes you every morning for a right dose of warm-up. Beside the pool, there is a park provided for each block separately to create greener lung spaces to oxygenate the premises. An aura of joy and wellness invites in the clubhouse, graced with ambience and attire to rejuvenate you with facilities including food court, provision store, baby care center, salon and spa. Pump up your muscle or take a dose of cardio in the gym. A wide choice of indoor games, be it billiards or caroms. Socialize over a game. There is a meditation zone to take a journey into your inner self. In the top floor of the clubhouse, there is a banquet hall waiting to indulge in all your joyous moments. Project highlights: premium quality construction, ample car parking, exquisite landscaping, jogging track, swimming pool, tennis court, children's play area, indoor games, gymnasium, meditation and yoga, open air days, multi-purpose hall, provision store, food court, hair salon, spa, baby care center, electronic surveillance system, silent generator for standby power, 24 hours water supply, earthquake resistant design, 24/7 security, 100% Vastu, excellent ventilation, solar fencing, intercom system, guest rooms, no common walls. AV Construction's prestigious site at Medapalli near Hyderabad-Warangal Highway, connecting to Hi-Tech City Outer Ring Road, Info Pride located near Infosys. Well connected to Metro Station and Uppal Cricket Stadium. You have the electronic surveillance system, solar fencing and security guards in place round the clock so that you experience the bliss of having a secured living while still enjoying the absolute freedom.